Hello, it's Mark with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2015 Ford F-250 Super Duty Crew. This is an XLT with the 6.2 liter V8. Give you a shot of the engine compartment. Hood is very straight, I don't see any dings or scratches. Front chrome and headlights look great, as do the lower fog lamps. There's some rock chips in the front windshield, and we're going to be replacing the windshield. This is the front left tire and wheel. Looking down the side, all I saw as far as dings, I don't see any scratches. There is a small ding right here. I don't know if it's going to show up on the video, very small. Mirrors look great. It's got the tinted glass in the back. Tinted rear window, drop-in bed liner. This is the left rear tire and wheel. There is another little ding right here on the corner and a small scratch right here. Tailgate looks great, rear bumper looks excellent as well. Does have the tow hitch with the 7 and 4 prong connectors. I walked down the right side and it looks great. I don't see any dings or scratches. This is the right rear tire and wheel. And the front right tire and wheel. Moving to the inside. There is some discoloration, not sure what this is. Some white on the gray on the seat. Give you a shot of the carpet. Back. This is the right rear sill and seat bolster. Seats are in really good condition. It's a premium cloth seat. There is some chips here, maybe some wear. You can see that black on silver. Looks just like wear, a little bit of wear on the armrest. Moving around to the driver's side. does have the entry code, and we've got the code for it. Again, some little bit of wear here, and also again some white on the gray fabric. Some scratches on the door on the inside. There's a little discoloration back here on the seat as well. And the seats lift up for storage underneath. And there you have it, 2015 F-250 Super Duty. We will follow up, make sure that you receive this video, we're able to upload it and view it, and see if you have any additional questions. Thanks for watching.